Welcome to Cyprus. Dreaming of turquoise waters, ancient ruins, and vibrant culture? Welcome to Travel Peak, and I'm thrilled to take you on a journey to one of my favorite places on Earth. This isn't just an island, it's a feeling. The warmth of the sun, the taste of halloumi, the sound of laughter in ancient streets. Every corner here has a new story, a new friend, and something delicious to eat. Cyprus is the mythical birthplace of Aphrodite, and you're about to fall in love with it too. From mountains to sea, every part of Cyprus is a new adventure. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 best places to visit. Divided cities, sun-drenched beaches, serene mountains, and thousands of years of history. Let's go! Our first stop on this incredible journey is Nicosia, a city brimming with history and culture, also known as Lefkosia. It holds the unique distinction of being the world's last divided capital, a testament to its complex past. Here you can literally walk, experiencing a tangible shift in atmosphere. You can stroll from the Greek Cypriot side, feeling the Mediterranean sun on your skin. Then, continue to the Turkish Cypriot side on Ledra Street, a bustling thoroughfare. You'll be passing through a checkpoint, a symbolic gateway between two distinct cultures. Suddenly, you're immersed and into a new world, a different rhythm of life. The city buzzes with an undeniable energy, a blend of history and an indomitable spirit of resilience. Take time to explore the old town's labyrinthine alleys, each corner revealing a hidden gem. Be sure to indulge in the local cuisine, where tavernas serve up delicious kupapia. Everywhere you go, locals welcome you with a warm smile, eager to share their culture. A must-see is the Cyprus Museum. Inside, you'll see artifacts that tell the story of millennia, offering a glimpse into the island's rich past. Nicosia is truly a city of contrasts. It's a place where division and unity coexist, where the old seamlessly blends with the new. It's a place where history is not just remembered, but alive and breathing. In Nicosia, every street has a story etched into its stones, waiting to be discovered. Don't just pass through this captivating city. Instead, get lost in its enchanting streets. Allow Nicosia to reveal its magic, its hidden charms, and its captivating spirit. Here, borders seem to fade away, and a sense of connection and shared humanity thrives. This is more than just a city. This is the true heartbeat of Cyprus, pulsing with life and stories. Next, we hit the coast, where the energy is palpable and the Mediterranean sun kisses your skin. Welcome to Limassol, the island's vibrant heart, a city that pulses with life and excitement. Stroll the Molos Promenade, a beautiful walkway that stretches along the sea. It's a seaside park alive with art where creativity flourishes in the open air. See families enjoying quality time, children laughing and playing freely, and gaze upon the endless Mediterranean blue, a calming and captivating sight. Limassol Castle stands proudly at the center, a historic landmark. It was once the site of royal weddings, a place of love and celebration. Now it's a museum surrounded by lively streets, blending history with modern life. The modern Limassol Marina dazzles with its sleek design and vibrant atmosphere. Admire the luxurious yachts, symbols of elegance and adventure. Explore the chic boutiques offering a taste of luxury and style, and indulge in the chic restaurants where culinary delights await. Here, you can sip Cypriot coffee in the morning, a traditional taste of the island, and enjoy a cocktail by the sea at night as the city lights twinkle around you. Limassol's spirit shines brightest during its festivals, moments of pure joy and celebration. Join the Wine Festival, a tribute to the island's rich viticultural heritage, or experience Carnival for music, dancing, and incredible food, a feast for the senses. It's a city of contrasts, where the past and present intertwine seamlessly. Old world charm meets cosmopolitan flair, creating a unique and captivating atmosphere. Whether you're people watching from a cozy cafe, exploring ancient history, or simply celebrating life's simple pleasures, Limassol is pure joy, a place where happiness is always in the air. The city invites you to live in the moment, to savor every experience and create lasting memories. Come ready to have fun because Limassol is all about embracing life to the fullest. Limassol never stops. The energy is constant, the excitement is contagious. This is where Cyprus comes alive, where the spirit of the island shines brightest. Don't miss it. Limassol is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Now, we journey to Paphos, a jewel on the Cypriot coast. This is the city of Aphrodite, the ancient Greek goddess of love and beauty, where myth and history blend seamlessly, creating an enchanting atmosphere that captivates every visitor. The Paphos Archaeological Park is a must, a sprawling UNESCO World Heritage Site where you'll discover Roman villas adorned with stunning mosaics. These intricate artworks tell stories of gods and heroes, offering a glimpse into the rich tapestry of ancient life. Then, explore the tombs of the kings, grand rock-cut tombs, not actually for kings, but for ancient aristocrats and high-ranking officials. Feel like Indiana Jones uncovering secrets of the past as you wander these ancient sites, imagining the lives of those who came before. After immersing yourself in history, relax on beautiful beaches like Coral Bay, with its crystal-clear waters, or visit the legendary Aphrodite's Rock at sunset where the goddess is said to have emerged from the sea. Paphos is a feast for the mind and soul, a place where you can truly unwind and connect with the beauty around you. It offers history, beauty, and romance in every corner, a destination that caters to all tastes. The harbor is lined with seafood restaurants, a culinary paradise for seafood lovers, where you can enjoy the catch of the day with a breathtaking sea view. Here, you walk with gods, kings, and everyday Cypriots, all sharing the same vibrant space. Paphos is a complete experience, a destination that offers something for everyone. It's a blend of past and present, legend and life, creating a unique and unforgettable travel experience. It's a place to fall in love with Cyprus all over again and rediscover the magic of the Mediterranean. Don't just visit, come and immerse yourself in the culture, the history, and the beauty that Paphos has to offer. Paphos will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Ready for a change of pace? Welcome to Ayia Napa. Famous for its nightlife, but so much more. The town center buzzes with music and lights, but step outside and you'll find breathtaking natural beauty. Nisi Beach is paradise. Turquoise water, powdery sand, and a walkable island at low tide. For adventure, explore the dramatic sea caves, perfect for photos and sunset views. Discover the peaceful Ayia Napa Monastery, a serene oasis amid the excitement. Ayia Napa is duality, party by night, nature and history by day. Dance on the sand, then watch the sunrise over the sea. It's the best of both worlds, vibrant and tranquil. Come for the party, stay for the beauty. Ayia Napa will surprise you. Larnaca is often your first taste of Cyprus, and it's a gentle, authentic welcome. Stroll the Finicutes promenade, lined with towering palms and lively cafes. Visit the Church of St. Lazarus, a stunning Byzantine landmark with deep spiritual roots. Explore the old Turkish quarter, Scala, for a glimpse of the city's layered history. Don't miss the Salt Lake, home to thousands of flamingos in winter and spring. The Hala Sultan Tekke Mosque sits serenely on its banks, a symbol of peace. Larnaca invites you to slow down, breathe, and savor the moment. Enjoy fresh fish and meze at a seaside taverna. It's a city of quiet wonders and warm welcomes. Larnaca is the perfect introduction to Cyprus's magic. Time to head up. Welcome to the Troodos Mountains, the island's green heart. Cool air, pine forests, and breathtaking views await. Hike scenic trails to hidden waterfalls and ancient Venetian bridges. Discover UNESCO-listed painted churches, simple outside dazzling Byzantine frescoes. Inside, explore charming villages like Omodos and Kakopetria with cobbled streets and warm hospitality. Taste traditional bread and local wines in family-run bakeries and wineries. The Troodos region is rustic, authentic, and deeply connected to the land. It's a place to recharge, surrounded by nature and tradition. Here, Cyprus reveals its soul. Escape the coast and find peace in the mountains. The Troodos Mountains are Cyprus at its purest. Now to the north, Kyrenia or Girne, a true Mediterranean gem. The horseshoe-shaped harbor is lined with cafes and old Carib warehouses. Picture perfect. Kyrenia Castle dominates the scene, offering panoramic views and a fascinating shipwreck museum. Wander the old town's winding alleys, discover artisan shops, and enjoy Turkish coffee with friendly locals. Explore nearby Belape Abbey and the fairy tale St. Hilarion Castle. Kyrenia is a blend of beauty, history, and warmth. It's the perfect base for northern adventures. Don't miss the mountain views and coastal charm. Kyrenia is a must-visit, captivating and unforgettable. Discover the jewel of the north. Next, Famagusta, a city of grandeur and ghosts. Walk the massive Venetian walls for sweeping views of Gothic churches and the sea. The Lala Mustafa Pasha Mosque, once a cathedral, is a stunning symbol of Cyprus's layered history. Visit Othello Castle, where Shakespeare's tragedy comes alive. Just outside, the ghost town of Varosha stands frozen in time, a haunting reminder of the island's division. Famagusta is beauty and sorrow, history and loss. Every stone tells a story of glory and heartbreak. It's a place to reflect and remember. Famagusta is essential to understanding Cyprus. Let its echoes move you. Time to unwind. Welcome to Protaras, the island's laid-back beach haven. Fig Tree Bay is the star golden sand, crystal clear water and perfect for families. Stroll the coastal boardwalk hop between coves or snorkel at Kanos Bay. Take a boat trip to the Blue Lagoon for unforgettable swims in vibrant blue water. Evenings are mellow with family-friendly restaurants and sunset views from Prophetess Elias Church. Protaras is about simple pleasures, sun, sea, and time with loved ones. It's relaxation at its finest. No rush, no fuss, just pure Mediterranean joy. Protaras is the perfect escape. Sometimes all you need is the sea. For our final stop, we go wild. Welcome to the Akamas Peninsula. This protected nature reserve is Cyprus at its most untamed, no big hotels, just raw beauty. Explore by 4x4 or quad bike through juniper forests and wildflower meadows. Visit Lara Beach, a vital nesting ground for endangered turtles. Discover the legendary Baths of Aphrodite, a tranquil spring steeped in myth. Hike the Avakas Gorge or take a boat to the Blue Lagoon for adventure and discovery. Akamas is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for explorers. Here, nature reigns and legends live on. It's the wild heart of Cyprus, the perfect finale to our journey. And there you have it. From Nicosia to Akamas, we've explored the wonders of Cyprus. This island is a feast for the senses. History, beauty, and unforgettable food. I hope you're inspired to discover Cyprus for yourself. Let us know your favorite spot in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. The world is delicious. Let's keep exploring together. Until next time, friends, stay hungry for adventure. See you on the next journey.